In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways how you can factory hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A54, A25 and other A series phones basically. Let's first start with the easy one if you have full access to your settings and menus. And also later in the video, I will show you how to do it if your phone is faulty in some way, and also if it's security locked with a pin or pattern maybe. So first let's go to settings here. Okay, and scroll all the way down till it says general management here. Click on that, and again scroll all the way down and click reset basically. And here we can see different reset options. If you maybe don't want to even do the full factory date reset, but only reset some individual settings for full factory, click that. And once we click the reset button, it will completely delete all your pictures, music, all your accounts on this device and everything basically. So it will be a brand new device basically. So go ahead and click reset if you want to do that. Then what if something has happened to your phone and maybe you can't really boot it up, or any other problems really? So we can also get to factory reset by holding this upper volume button basically, and also the power button at the same time. So let's click and hold. It will take a few seconds and keep holding basically. Hold. Okay, and we can release now, and we are in the recovery mode basically now. And using the the volume down button, we can cycle to wipe data and factory reset. To confirm, with power button basically, click that, and then cycle to factory data reset and click the power button again. So what if this phone is security locked in some way? Okay, so what if the phone has some kind of security on it and you can't really get in maybe PIN, password or pattern or stuff like that? If we try to shut it down to get to the menu, nothing really happens, right? So the way we can actually turn it off is by force restarting it. And the way we do it now is by pressing the volume down button and the power button and holding it for some time. As it will turn off, we will quickly jump to holding the upper button and the power button. Okay, so now let's hold the down button and power to force restart it basically, and keep holding it. Takes quite a few seconds. Ignore this, but keep holding. Okay, jump to the up and power button now. Okay, keep holding. Okay, and as you see, we got access to that same menu. We can cycle to the wipe date and factory reset, and again completely reset this phone if you have the security enabled. Anyways, this is how you reset pretty much all Samsung Galaxy A series phones. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!